If you have poor cellular signal, a cell phone signal booster is the answer. Since you're already paying a monthly fee for a service that either doesn't work or works sporadically, you might consider a system that brings usable signal for your cellular network into your home, office, or vehicle. Cell phone boosters provide consistent, reliable cell service for one flat price. The best cell phone signal boosters keep you connected at home, work, or in your car. If you rely on your wireless service for home or vehicle internet, this is a must if coverage is spotty. A cell phone signal booster will end your dropped phone calls, unsent texts, and slow data speeds. If properly installed, you will never have weak signals or dead zones again. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the 5 best cell phone signal boosters to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. weBoost Home Room. The weBoost Home Room is the best option among our selections because it is a reliable booster kit. Very few drawbacks can be found to its strong signal output, and its 1,500 square feet signal coverage makes it perfect for small spaces like an apartment or a home office. We suggest the weBoost Home Room as the first option you should try if you require a reliable full signal booster for your home office. Additionally, it is 5G ready, so you will be able to continue using this booster when 5G technology becomes widely accessible. Any of the top smartphones from 4G to 5G can be used with this cell phone booster. Using the cell phone booster will allow you to benefit from improved voice quality, better reception, and fewer dropped calls, faster internet speeds, and more. Use one of the safest phones if you want even more security. Although it can cover buildings up to 1,500 square feet, or roughly the size of a large room, it is intended to provide stronger signals for one room. This may not have the broadest coverage among the options on this list, but it excels at enhanced streaming, and it is simple to set up. To determine which is best for your home, contrast with the weBoost Home Multi-Room Booster or weBoost Install Home Complete. By doing this, you can cover more than one room. To guarantee that you always have service, this weBoost Home Multi-Room Booster will be sufficient. Additionally, this works with the majority of US carriers, if not all of them, including AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, Straight Talk, US Cellular, and Verizon. Number 4. Hiboost Cell Phone Signal Booster. Have a limited budget or a strong desire for high-quality cell phone signal booster? Then Hiboost offers their genuine product to meet your needs. This single booster can save you money while also providing you with the best internet speed and network coverage. This low-cost package includes all of the quality features that a booster requires. If you have a medium-sized office or house, then you can use this booster to get most out of it. Those who live in rural areas and have poor signals from outside can also benefit from it. This one comes with authorized app for controlling the booster. It's called the Hiboost Signal Supervisor app. This app allows you to keep track of the booster. Furthermore, this is the cheapest booster on the market, but it will undoubtedly provide good service. It also has an LED screen that displays the signal strength. Some key features this device offers include coverage area from 1,000 to 4,000 square feet, cellular data 2G, 3G, 4G, maximum gain plus 60 dB. Carrier compatibility, T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint. It has a panel antenna, a Yagi directional antenna, and an LCD screen. This booster supports CDMA, GCM, HSPA, LTE, WCDMA, and EVDO. Number 3. Cel-Fi GO X. The Cel-Fi GO X is the most powerful consumer signal booster. It is a single carrier booster, meaning it only boosts one of the major carriers at a time. However, this means it is significantly more powerful than any multi-directional cell booster. If you have a family plan on a single carrier, you will be amazed at the difference a Cel-Fi GO X cell phone booster will make, no matter how weak your outside signal. The Cel-Fi GO X is our best-selling single carrier signal booster and is actually far more powerful than any of the other consumer boosting options. The reason for this is that the FCC created different rules for different types of signal boosters, which allows single carrier boosters to boost up to 100 dB of gain, compared to multi-carrier boosters that can only go up to 72 dB of gain. While this may not initially sound like a drastic difference, for every additional 3 dB of gain that is added, the boosting power doubles. So the GO X is actually many times more powerful than any of the other multi-directional signal booster options. So if you're able to get away with only boosting one carrier, then this is the obvious solution. The carrier that is the Cel-Fi GO X booster can also be easily switched using an app on your smartphone. So if you change carriers down the line, you don't have to buy a new booster. Finally, the GO X can be configured with many different types of antennas and cables to meet every situation, so you'll be able to curate the perfect solution for your situation. You can even install multiple GO X boosters side by side, one for each carrier, so you get the 100 dB of boosting power and multi-carrier support. If you struggle with weak outdoor signal due to resistance from your cell tower or obstructions, a GO X paired with a longer range is your best bet at improving it. The Cel-Fi GO X is powerful enough to handle up to 4 indoor antennas under most circumstances. Number 2. SureCall Flare 3.0. Whether at home, in office, or on the go, it is becoming increasingly necessary to boost the cell phone signal around you. However, that's only possible if you have the right cell phone signal booster. You don't want a tangle of ugly looking wires and boxes running through your house just because you need a signal booster. To that end, SureCall's Flare 3.0 is a more elegant option that you'd be less embarrassed to have out in public. It's not exactly a work of art, but thanks to its small footprint, it is small enough to fit on an end table. It also has some advantages over SureCall's other products. Because it has directional antenna, it boosts signal strength significantly, especially if you're at the network's edge. The SureCall Flare 3.0 can boost a weak cell phone signal over an area of 3,500 square feet. Unlike other devices that work in only one direction, it has omnidirectional operations, ensuring zero drop calls. Also, you will get better voice quality, faster data upload and download, and expedited streaming. If you're a remote worker over the internet, the device can give you the power to work from virtually anywhere. This cell phone signal booster provides multi-room coverage without the complicated installation that comes with some devices. Instead of the usual directional antenna, this particular device has Yagi omnidirectional antenna with a high gain. The antenna either goes to a roof or a tall pole outside the house to tap a cell phone signal. Inside the house, the base station includes an effective antenna that distributes and receives a call from cell phones. Besides, the omnidirectional outdoor antenna provides a 9 dB gain, enabling it to tap signals from far-off towers. Furthermore, at well under $400, it's not particularly pricey for a directional option with this kind of range. In addition to that, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee and lifetime support for US-based customers. That makes this particular device desirable for those looking for product durability and reliability. Number 1. weBoost Install Home Complete. The weBoost Install Home Complete Signal Booster Kit is a whole-house cell phone booster kit that includes an external antenna, signal amplifier, and internal antenna. The weBoost Installed Home Complete is made to cover an entire home. It comes with free professional installation in virtually every zip code in the country. It can cover a large home with decent outside signal or a mid-size home with weak outdoor signal. It can give up to 7,500 square feet of coverage with perfect outside signal. Most people will probably see a coverage area of between 3,500 and 5,500 square feet. If you want to cover more than one floor, you should buy more antennas. If you live in a very weak signal rural area, you might get about 2,000 square feet of coverage from it. The weBoost Install Home Complete is the only cellular amplifier we have that comes with free installation right now. If you do not think you can install a signal booster, buy this one. With the move to remote working and continued reliance on phones and mobile devices for things like restaurant menus, streaming shows, making payments, and more, you really can't be stuck with a bad signal. A booster is a smart solution to an inconvenient problem. The best cell phone signal boosters support calls and data from your mobile carriers to help eliminate weak signal areas. However, getting the best cell phone signal booster is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.